Hi guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to calculate an enthalpy of formation for methane, and the steps that we're going to go through in this video can be applied to any example where you want to calculate enthalpy of formation for a compound. Now when we want to calculate enthalpy of formation we have to use combustion data values, and the first thing we're going to do is write the equation. So we're forming 1 mole of methane from its elements. So we've got carbon and hydrogen. Hydrogen goes round in twos. We're forming methane. 4 hydrogens on the right. Put a big 2 there. Now we've got 4 on the left as well. And we're balanced. Second step is to draw the Hess cycle. So when we're calculating formation, this is the kind of Hess cycle we have to draw. Since we're using combustion data values at the bottom, we have arrows pointing down and combustion products here at the bottom. Now these are carbon dioxide and water for complete combustion, but if I was to write that in, it wouldn't make any difference to our answer. So I'm just going to write the words combustion products. Our third step is to label route 1 and route 2. So we've got one arrow going anti-clockwise, if you like here. I'll call that route 1. And we've got 2 arrows going clockwise here. So I'm going to call that route 2. Now we're ready to apply Hess's law. And Hess's law says that route 1, the energy change going via route 1 is equal to the energy change needed to go by route 2. So we're going to collect the terms involved in each route and write them equal to each other. In route 1 we've got combustion of carbon, so minus 394, there it is, plus 2 combustion of hydrogen, minus 286. Then we've got route 2. Part of route 2 is the energy change of formation, which is what we're trying to calculate. So we'll write that in. And we've got combustion of methane, which is minus 890. So I'm going to work out this side first before I rearrange. Minus 966. Okay, I'm going to leave delta HF over here, otherwise I'll have to change its sign. So that means I need to move this minus 890 across. Now, this minus 890 is going to cross the equals sign. When we change sides, we change signs. So it becomes, instead of minus 890, it now becomes plus 890. Now we're ready to work out our answer. Minus 966 plus 890 equals minus 76. And the units, kilojoules per mole.